What is going on, guys? It's Kai and welcome to a day in the life, and we are off to London today. We're going to hit the in-stores and we're also going to Lucky Botto's podcast. Should be a great time and I'll take you along with me. Currently out and about in London.
Rocking the fours.
I'm not gonna lie, they're uncomfy as shit. But as you can see, there's a lot of people around me right now, so I feel uncomfortable as fuck right now. I'm currently with Shiv, who I'll introduce in a minute, but apart from that, spending it down in London, and then we've got the podcast with Josh later. I'll film a lot more around there. My camera's quite low, so I'll probably refrain from recording too much until we get to the podcast. Apart from that, we should get some nice clips later. But at the moment, we're looping all the JDs, checking to see what's in. May as well make the most of the day while we can. Apart from that, we will see you guys at the podcast later. Just hit Nike. Managed to pick up one pair of the Nike SBBU pair, I think it's called. I'll do more of in hand when we sit down the podcast. I'll get them all out and shit like that. Because we're fucking walking at the moment. We've started buying now, so we may as well fucking carry on, do you know what I mean?
Just rocking the patterns that I'm low-key jealous of. I can't lie.
We've got like a good 2-3 hours yet before we have to make our way, so we may as well make the most of it. I'll see you at the podcast. We've started buying and we haven't stopped now. Back at end. Just an interruption of today's video, guys. If you're looking for a group that provides you all the information you need to sneakers, you want to start learning, you want to expand your business, then my group may be for you. I made a group where I teach you everything you need to know, whether that's one-on-one support, one-on-one calls, all the release calendars, all the profits, where to get them from, guides, everything you need to know, all compact into one group. It'll be top link down in the description below, guys. That'll lead you to our website, which will give you a list of all the features we do provide. We have over 200 members, all cooking up, all making profit. I'll pop up a load of success on the screen. The features we provide is like no other, and we're here to make you some money. Top link down in the description below, guys. If you guys would like to join, I'll see you guys in there. I'm active in there, it's my group. I'm always talking, I'm always trying to help people out.
Some Yeezy 50 Ash Pearls, Paisley Dunks, and 2 Nike BUs with Shiv as well. These are mine, his are his.
Outside the shop, we don't give a fuck, mate. But yeah, I'll unbox all these at the podcast. We're going to check some more stores. We think there should be some more Paisley Dunks somewhere, and they're easy sellers, about £30 profit, so we'll take it from there. But yeah, decent little day so far. I'll definitely pay for the cost of it, and we got a podcast later, so I'm looking good for now. We are back from London now. It is the next day. I was absolutely shattered, but let's go through what we did get.
So here is what we got in store. Ignore these are just a swap I did with Shiv because I want my personal size and hit mine, so I swapped him a 10 for an 8, so thank you, Shiv.
It's a fairly nice day out, so let's sit outside and let's go through these shoes. First off is something we got from End in-store. I have no clue what they've done to this box. I was really shocked when I saw this. Yeezy 350 Ash Pearls. Now, they were sitting in store and they didn't really have many sizes left, so they were going quite quick, and I managed to get the smaller size, which was a UK 7.5. It's not the best shoe, however, prices are sitting okay. Saw some sales for around the 240, 250 mark, and these were sitting on for 200 in store, no shipping fees. I thought it was a no-brainer, they're gonna sell over time, so we picked up one pair of these, £200. Next up, we have something from Foot Patrol. Now these are the Bad Bunny Adidas something. Weird box, because look, it kind of opens. Oh, that was good. So you get a spare set of laces and you get some pads. What the fuck, who's gonna wear that? Shoes also come in some nice weird bag if you want that. Here's the shoe though. I mean, they look like ass, I'll be honest, but they resell, so that's the only reason why I bought them. Not much else to say about these. Adidas Bad Bunnies. Thick tongue. These were £130, and there's some goat sales for £180, so it's a good little flip. They will probably take a little bit of time to sell. However, if you see 50 quid profit sitting on a shelf, I'm not gonna walk past it. Next up, we have a shoe that a lot of people call bricks. However, I've had no problem shifting these. I've shifted 3 pairs of these already. And these are the Dunk Low. I forgot what they're called, man. Paisleys, I knew that, I did know that.
Dunklo Paisleys, I've personally had no problem shifting these. A lot of people call these bricks, but I've never had a problem making about 20 quid profit on them. Well, 10 to 20 quid profit after fees. Not really much else to be said about the nice shoe, size 5, base size, not bad. Should be able to find someone that will want these. Again, it's profit sitting on shelf. Yes, they're not the best profit, but it all adds up. And these cost £95, and we got these from Office. And the staff are actually sound about it, to be fair. Sometimes Office and Offspring can be a bit fun. Now, a big brick that people like to call them. They released on the day, so this is not gonna make any sense when I upload the video. However, on the day we went, the Nike Dunk SB B Trues came out. I mean, it's a cool looking shoe. See, one's got the pink laces. It looks comfy, I'll be honest. The other one's got like the green laces, or blue laces, sorry. The only reason I got these is because it was the day they came out, and it's quite an easy quick flip, and I sold them for about £15 profit that same day. The only reason I got them is because I knew, you know, I could get them in hand. I wouldn't have to wait a couple of days because I knew these would probably brick over a bit of time. And that's pretty much it, apart from obviously getting the infrareds as well that I swapped with Shiv, so big shout out to him for that. We did have a good day in London, and we did all right for shoes. I mean, we weren't actually going up there for shoes, obviously going to the podcast, which again, I can only shout out Lucky Bot or Josh for that. It was an awesome podcast. It was good to meet everyone. So a big thank you for that, Josh. Podcast will be out soon. I don't think it's out by the time I post this video. If it is, I will leave it in the description below. But if you recognize where I am, we like to call this the Vault. However, the vault is no longer the vault. Essentially, in our house, we do not use upstairs at all. It's almost like a spare room. However, we never have guests over anyway, so it's just turned into a massive clutter field. And I saw some potential in it. So what I've done is I'm taking it into my own hands and I'm turning it into like a sneaker office, filming studio, and so on. I'll try and pop up a video of it was before at the very start. However, this is where we're at the moment. As you can see here, we've just had, well, I've just got the plastering. They've done all of the walls, and we've got a good amount of space here. Do you know what I mean? Like, I've got a lot of room to work with. I can almost do like 4 different sets for recording. Like, do you know what I mean? I've got a lot of options here to do. Lighting can be good because obviously I can use these windows, but I think that out and do my own sort of lighting. So I'm spending quite a lot of money on this. Like, the plasterer came in, he did it all for about 300-400 quid. I've bought some new storage units that I'm gonna put on so I can store all my shoes in nice shelving. I'm gonna buy some nice LED lights. I'm gonna buy some like floating shelving to put loads of shoes on. I just think it'll be like a dope area to have it. So the reason why I'm showing you this is, would you guys like to see some sort of like episode of me, you know, converting it all? Like, is that something that interests you, like converting a room into like my whole sneaker office? Let me know down in the comments. My plan was, obviously we need to keep the bed somewhere. So we moved the bed to over here, so this can be where the bed is, and then we do have a TV that needs to go there. So I thought, bed, TV, so then here is like the bedroom. This area is the bedroom part, and then this area can be all of my shoe stuff. Which got me thinking even more. I bought 2 big storage units. I thought I could put one there and one there, so it's like over the door. I thought I should do the floating shelving on here once I painted the walls, obviously. I think I could do like 5 down and then maybe 5 across, so 5 by 5. Nice LEDs and whatever, be a nice little filming part because I could record from here, give nice depth to the video and so on. So that's my plan, and what do you think, guys? This is the real clutter room where we've had to move a lot of the stuff from here for the plasterer to come in and sort it. We did have a big wall here which I knocked down. And that is going to conclude today's video, guys. I did hope you enjoyed all of today's video. Drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and top link down in the description below, guys, if you want to join the group. I promise you will not regret it. We teach you everything you need to know within the group. Good luck in all your releases. Enjoy these hot days. It's probably gone cold by the time we upload this video, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.